Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see English, the Wind workbook. Okay children, and it's session 27. In the last YouTube class, we learned the English lesson, the Wind poem, prose we learned, isn't it children? Poetry we learned, isn't it children? So I think all are thorough in that one, and you have completed everything children. So today we'll see the workbook. Okay children. Okay children, we'll see the wind. It's in workbook. Okay children, this time I have written in the notebook, so you don't need to write in the notebook. You can copy down in the book itself, because see its correction is there. So for that, to avoid this one only, I have written in the notebook. Okay children, so don't get confused. Okay children. Okay, the first one, A, is read the poem, write any other word that comes to your mind on reading each underlined word. We learnt in the prose itself, isn't it? Poetry we saw like this only. So I'll read this one. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees. Bow, not bow. Okay children, and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. So they have given some underlined words like boats, clouds, bridges, bow, road, earth. So 6 words they have given. You should write what you like a rhyming word. Okay children, not like a rhyming word, that you have to explain what comes in your mind. You have to say. First one, boats. Boats means ships. Otherwise you can write sea also, otherwise you can write rivers also, so no problem. Okay, as you, but the answer should be correct. Clouds means skies. We can say skies only, isn't it children? Okay. Bridges, strong. Bow means string. In that one we can see the string, isn't it children? Okay. Road is to travel. Earth, it's a planet. Otherwise you can write round also. Earth is a round, isn't it children? Okay, like this, what comes in your mind you can write. The answer should be correct. This one you have to write in the book only, not in the notebook. Understood children? Again clearly I am telling, you have to write it in the workbook, page number 35 and 36. Okay children. Okay, the second one, match the columns to make new words. Match the columns to make new words. They have given wind, rain, pass, day, thunder, and here 4, door, hill. Okay children. Likewise here step, side, head, and then here drop, dream, mill, storm, port. What you have to do, you have to join these 2 words and you have to write new words. Okay children. See, in the book itself they have given windmill, isn't it children? Likewise rain means what will come children? What you can write? Raindrop, isn't it children? You can write raindrop, RAIN, raindrop. You have to join these words. You should not write separately. You have to join the word. And second one, dream is there. So what you can write children? What you can write? Daydream you can write. What you can write? Daydream. What you can write? Daydream. Like this you can write daydream. Pahal kanavu they'll tell, isn't it children? Okay, next one, storm is there. Thunderstorm. What will come? Thunderstorm. The third one is, see here third one is given, so the fourth one is storm they have given. So what will come? Thunderstorm. You should not write STROM. Okay children. Okay, and the next one is what will come children? Here port is there. So port, what will come, children? Passport. What will come? Passport. P-A-S-S, pass, P-O-R-T, passport. Okay, children. Raindrop, daydream, windmill, thunderstorm, passport. Okay, here we'll see the sixth one. Step. What will come? Doorstep. What will come? Doorstep. Side. Hillside. Hillside. And the last one, head is given. Forehead. What will come? Forehead. Okay, children. Very easy this one, isn't it, children? Okay, now we'll come to the contraction. Make contractions from the words in the box. Contractions we learnt in the prose poetry itself in the wind. What we learnt, it's a short form. It's the short form. See, they have given this one. You have to write the contraction for this one. He will, we have not, they have, you are, I will. To these words you have to make contractions from the box and you have to write in the lines. Okay, children? Okay. I dash finished my project. What you have to write, children? I dash finished my project. What will come, children? I have not. What will come? Have not. But while writing in the contraction form, what you have to write? I haven't. H-A-V-E-N-T. Haven't. Have you understood, children? Here the have not is the first one. So, but while writing here, what you have to write? Haven't. Okay, children? And then the second one, if dash going to the library, please return my books. So what you have to do? What will come, children? If you are going to the library, please return my books. But for the contraction, what will come, children? You are. Like this it will come. Okay, children? And the third one, dash promised to drop in on their way back from the museum. What will come, children? They have promised to drop in on their way back from the museum. So they have means what you have to write? They have, you have to write the contraction. But while writing the starting letter will come capital T. Okay, children? And you have to put one and see like this you have to write. Okay, children? They have, you have to write like this. Number 4. Tim said that dash take the dog to the vet doctor. Vet means veterinary doctor. So Tim said means what? Tim said that he will take the dog to the vet doctor. He will. So what will come, children? He'll. H-E-L-L. Okay, children? Number 5. I promise that dash never run across the road without looking. What will come? I will. I promise that I'll never run across the road without looking. And the last one, dash decided that we will go to Manali this summer. What's the last one? We have. So we have short form, what you have to write? W-E, starting letter. Understood? For we have and all, what you have to do? You have to take out the H and A. H and A. Understood, children? So for here also they have, we have taken H-A. Here also we taken H-A and we have put W-E, apostrophe, comma and V-E. Decided that we will go to Manali this summer. Okay, children? Okay, children? D1. Rewrite the sentence by using a contraction for the underlined words. Contraction for the underlined words. Okay. See, here also is the same. See, you must not enter the principal's room without permission. So, you have to write the sentence by using contraction. So, must not means what will come, children? Mustn't. M U S T N apostrophe comma and T. Understood, children? You have to write like this. You mustn't enter the principal's room without permission. Okay, children? Okay. The second one. My mother would have helped me if she were here. So, what's the answer will come? My mother would have. Would have means what, children? I said, while have comes H, you have to remove, isn't it? So, WOULD and VE. You have to put one comma here. Isn't it, children? Okay? Would have helped me if she were here. H, you have to remove. How is the weather today? So, contraction, what will come? House. HOW apostrophe comma and S you have to write. See, while writing you have to be careful. Okay, children? How's the weather today? And the fourth one. Why would you want to leave so early? You have just arrived. Why would you want to leave so early? You have what I said, children? YOU and what you have to write? Apostrophe comma and VE. Okay, children? Number fifth one. Perth will not take part in the play. So, what will come, children? Perth willn't. Willn't we should not write. We have to write won't. Willn't means the sentence will be wrong. We can't write willn't. Short form is like that only. But while writing this one, you have to write in the past tense form. So, what will come? WONT. Won't. Won't is correct. Okay, children? Perth won't take part in the play. Okay, children? Don't forget, for will not, you have to write won't. Understood? Okay. Number sixth one. I am excited about our trip to Dalhousie next week. I am means what you have to write? I am. I apostrophe comma and M. I am excited about our trip to Dalhousie next week. Okay, children? And the last one, I will make you to learn in the workbook itself. Can you see here? Yes. Here, because here pictures are given, so I couldn't write. See here, two pictures are given. Which room do you prefer? Which is very neat? Which room? You prefer this room or you prefer this room? You have to write a composition they have given. So, but I have preferred this room because this room is very neat. So, I have preferred this room. So, I am going to write about this room in this composition. Understood, children? So, you have to listen carefully. If you want to write this picture means you have to change and write. You have to change and write. It's up to you. You can write on your own. I prefer the room in the second picture. The reason I prefer the other room is because it is tidier and very well neat. Okay, children? Well organized. Well organized. The bed is properly made up, unlike the first picture. See here, very ugly. See, it's not neat. Here it's very neat. Okay, isn't it? The cushions is kept on the bed instead of the floor as shown in the first picture. The shoes are properly placed on the mat and not lying scattered on the floor. The clothes are kept inside the cupboard. The teddy bear is also kept properly on the top of the shelf. Hence, all things are kept in their place. So, in the second picture, all the things are kept in their place. So, I prefer the second picture. Okay, children? I hope you will be writing this one. Which picture you prefer? What you can do? You can write, children. See, this is in this workbook only you have to write. Children, see. Can you see here? See, you have to write here like this only. Understood? But for your clearness, I have written in the notebook. See, A, B. Okay, children, and then C, and then D, and the E one only I have showed you in the book itself. Okay, children. So, what you have to do? You have to write neatly till this poem 6. It's for what? Second term examination. So all of them should have copied down. See, many of them are asking me in between, Miss, send me this one. Miss, my son didn't complete. Children, don't waste your time. As soon as we send what work you have, your work is to study only, isn't it, children? So all the children, what you have to do, you have to copy down everything in the notebook and you have to be complete, because second week of December exam. Second week of December exam. So children, what you have to do, you have to complete everything and it should be very thorough. You have to learn. You have to learn. Okay, children. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.